So when you start becoming an affiliate, there's a few things that they just don't tell you in the instruction manual when you go full time. And these things can produce a little bit of stress along the way. And if you're not careful of that, that stress can kind of wear you down after a while. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of tips on how you can stabilize your income as an affiliate. I'll catch you guys right after this. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. If this is the first time on the channel, welcome. My name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and a whole bunch of digital stuff in general, really. If any of that's of interest to yourself, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Little caveat, probably not going to see a whole bunch of flashy stuff on this channel. This is really me just talking about the 9+ years I've had in digital marketing and affiliate marketing, and trying to cut through some of the BS that's out there and help a few people out along the way. Now, if you're interested in getting some mentoring and learning the ins and outs of the industry, I do have a special case study. You can check that out below. It's basically me talking about how you can use nothing but your own Facebook profile and an amazing product to sell stuff online. Anyway, feel free to check that out. There's also a link in there if you'd like to book a call to chat. Happy to have a conversation at some stage, see if we can align with your goals. Anyway, all that being said, what am I talking about? So one of the things when you get started, you got this big dream, and you're like, I'm going to make 100K a month, and life's going to be amazing, and I'm going to go and move to some place that's tropical and live the rest of your days as a wealthy miser, I guess, or something like that. Maybe that's my goal. That's a weird goal, isn't it? Anyway, I'm digressing. So that is kind of the dream that gets sold and what most people kind of believe. The problem with that, though, is that when you go full time, and something that you understand the more you do it, especially if you're doing high ticket, it's not always going to be linear. So you might make, for example, 2 high ticket sales today. You might make no high ticket sales for the rest of the week. You might make another one on Friday, and then you might make another one every single day for the next week, and then maybe you make nothing at all the week following that. And it's just one of those things, especially if you're concentrating on organic marketing in particular. There are going to be times where all your leads just seem to come at once, and then the next day or next week, all your leads seem to go into the next program, or they just buy through someone else, or whatever the case may be, right? And this isn't something that they really discuss. And so the question then remains, well, okay, how do you stabilize things so that way you're not like basically going, yay, I'm making sales. Oh, damn, I haven't made a sale. Now, of course, my sincere belief is that everyone should concentrate on high ticket, especially when they get started, and probably even more so for the veterans as well, quite literally because it's a better exchange of time and value than if you were promoting a $10 product. I've discussed that numerous times on this channel. Like if you're aiming for 10 grand a month, it's easier to find 10 people to pay you $1,000 than it is to find 100 to pay you 1,000. No, 1,000 to pay you 100. 1,000 to pay you 10. There you go. That'll do. Good math. Anyway, so the relevance of all that being is that, like I say, there are going to be nuances. There are going to be times when your income goes, whoa, damn, whoa, damn. And so how do you mitigate that process? And so one of the things that we teach inside the Super Affiliate Accelerator, which again you can check out below, is it's called the 2-punch combo. And it's basically the idea that you might have a core product that you're aiming at, a core product that you've got and that you're trying to promote, that you know that can offer a ton of value to people, but you also have your lower ticket products, and then you have some mid-tier ticket products as well. So the way that I do it, the way that I structure things is, of course, my main thing is SAA. That's what I love promoting and what I truly believe in, and I know is getting some incredible results for a lot of people. Having said that, I know that not everyone's going to have the financial resources for that, and I know that if I solely focused on that, I know that my income would kind of be all over the place. And so one of the ways to mitigate that, like I say, is you have lower ticket recurring offers, you have lower ticket mid-ticket offers. And I suggest to people not to have your core focus around those offers, because what tends to happen is you need a lot more of them in order to reach the same financial goals, right? So if you sell 10 high ticket products at $1,000, of course, 10 grand. However, if you look at, say, a lot of the recurring models, most of them are paying less than $100 per sale per month. And so you've got to imagine that those people to have that same level of value as one person buying something for $1,000, the value exchange needs to be 10 times more, 20 times if it's $50, you know, so on and so forth. Meaning that they're going to have to stay in it for like 20 months just to hit that if they're paying $50 a month, or you're receiving $50 a month, right? Hopefully that makes sense. But you can, like I say, you can still balance it out. So you might have your high ticket there, and then balancing that income along the rest of the month, you might have some lower ticket stuff along the way, and a mid ticket, like a $500-600 offer, so on and so forth. And so that's how you can stabilize your income. Anyway, hopefully that helps you guys out. Like I say, if you are interested in learning more about that, and if you'd like to book in a time to see if you and I might be a good fit together to help you smash your online goals, all you need to do is click that link below, and look forward to catching you guys very, very soon. Thanks, guys. See you soon.